Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and also visit my Microsoft Word playlist of this channel to see more of these tutorial videos. So let's get started. So guys, here I have a document of 21 pages containing all sorts of headings and subheadings, and I want to create a table of content for this document. So what you have to do is, so first of all, you have to leave some space above the main heading of this document so that you can adjust the table of content here. So now you have to select a style for each of your heading and subheading of this document. For example, here I'm selecting this text here, and this is the main heading of this document. So I will go to styles and choose heading. And you can also increase the size of your heading here, and you can underline that, or you can choose italics if you want, or it's already bold here. So this is the main heading, and now I'm going to change the style of this subheading here. I will go to styles and select heading 2 so that the word knows that this is the heading of headings of this document here. So you can underline your heading, put a bold, or you can change the color. Let's go for this black color here. You can also change the color of this heading. You can choose any color. Let's go for this blue color. And so now guys, this is the again a subheading here. So I'm choosing a heading 3, and you can bold if you want. So guys, in this way you have to change the style of each of the heading and subheading of this document. So now I'm going to add the table of contents. For that you have to go to this references tab here, and here you will see an option table of contents. Click on that, and here you will see there are many different options. There are automatic table of contents as well as the manual table of contents, and you can also choose the custom tables of contents. So here I'm choosing the automatic table of contents. Let's go for it, and here you can see I have created a table of content here. So guys, you can also number your headings. For example, here I am choosing 1. This is my first heading. You can increase the size a little bit here. Let's go for 16, I guess. So now I'm going to the second heading. So here's the second heading here, and here I'm choosing the number 2. Let's go for that, and let's decrease the size a bit. In this way, you can see, guys, I have created numbering in these two headings. So if in order to update this table of contents, because it's not showing any numbering in front of this heading, so I need to update this table. For that, you have to click on this update table option and select the second option, update entire table, and click on OK. And you will see now it will update the numbers of these headings. Not only that, if you go to this here the space here and create a page break. For example, here I'm creating a page break here, and now the heading is on the page 2, but here in the table of contents is showing that it's on the page 1. So I need to update it further. You can also select this table here, and you can go for this references and click on this update table. And here you can choose update page numbers only, and which it will only update the page numbers here. Now you can see it will show the 2 page number here in front of the main heading. You can also change the increase the size of this heading here. Let's go for 16, and let's go bold and also change the font here. Here we go. So guys, you can see I have created a table of contents, but one more important thing is that if your table of content is too long, you can also shorten that. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to go to the table of contents, and here you will see an option custom table of contents. Click on that, and here you will increase the levels and decrease the levels of headings and subheadings. For example, if I decrease it to 2, it will show you only the headings here. So I will click on OK, and you have to replace this table of content. Click on OK then, and here you can see it will only show you the headings of this document. In this way, I have shortened the table of contents. You can also change the name of this contents to table of contents if you want. For example, here I'm choosing table of contents, And you can also increase the size of this, or you can also change the color. Let's go for bold and underline. And also the font, let's go for the Cooper Black here. So guys, in this way you can create the table of contents. But one more important thing is that if you want to add the numbering to your subheadings, you can also do that. But for that, first of all, here you have to select these subheadings here, and then you have to click on this home tab. And after you click on that, you will see the numbering option here, multi-level list. Click on that and select the first option. And here you will see I have created the numbering in front of these subheadings. So guys, in this way you can create the table of contents in Microsoft Word. So I hope you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching.